Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix Roblox error 529. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later. Error code 529. And the main reason for this error is that the Roblox server is down. Like, you have to check in the down detector website if you have any problem with the Roblox server. If you have this problem, then you have to wait for some time and your problem will be fixed automatically. And the second reason is your internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just reset it for one time. Just click on the reset settings option here and then press OK. After doing so, your problem will be resolved. If you are using the Wi-Fi, you have to just check your Wi-Fi router indicators if all the lights are glow with the green color or not. If it shows any red color signal, then you have to just check your fiber cable. After doing so, this problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to just tap and hold on the Roblox app and then click on the app info, the application details, and then click on the clear data here and then click on the clear all data. But don't worry, all your saved skins are very safe. Just click OK, and after doing so, you have to just minimize it and try to access your Roblox. This time your problem will be fixed. You have to just put here your login details. I have shared my website link in the description. Visit it for more information. So that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.